Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mike Roy with ArtistMyth.com. I'm the founder of ArtistMyth.com, and my mission with that website and with this course is to help you as an artist, as a creative person, find your passion that not only is something you love to do creatively, but it also can help provide for you and also will give you an audience that we all want as artists. We all want an audience that loves our work, but we also want something that we really love to do. So that's the goal of this course. Let me tell you just what to expect from this course. I'm going to guide you through the process of finding your unique place in the world as an artist. And it's your niche, your creative niche. You may have also heard the word niche. Just know that those are interchangeable. And I'll tell you a little bit later what a niche is and what a creative niche is. This is really important stuff because it affects the entire path, the entire trajectory of your creative career. So the time you're investing right now, the time you're investing into listening to this right now is really some of the most important moments you can spend as an artist. Well, why is that? Well, because it's going to help you aim your goals. It's going to help you aim the path of your creative pursuits. And I was trying to figure out what's the one course I can put out there that can help the most people and give them the most the best tool that they can use right now. And this is what I came up with. All of the things that I've learned and studied from influencers over the years about finding a niche and finding work you love is so important for artists because we have to be so motivated and we have to be self-motivated, right, to get up and to do those creative things that we love to do. I guarantee that the time you spend going through this course is going to be worth it. I don't want to waste your time. I'm certainly open to any feedback you may have. But again, I do feel like these and I hope you agree with me, will be some of the most important moments you spend as an artist. The approach I'm going to use it's not a cookie cutter approach. Okay, if you're looking for a formula, there is none because we're all different, and especially as artists, we're all different. And I'm not going to assume that your journey is going to be just like my journey was. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give you some principles and some skill sets that you can use moving forward that can help you. This is going to be a short course, but that doesn't mean you're going to get there quickly. It's kind of like the game of chess, if you've ever played chess. The rules of chess are really pretty easy, but it takes a lifetime to master the game of chess and to progress as a chess player. But it's also fun to play. And that's really a pretty good analogy, I think, as an artist. The rules of art, if you want to say there are rules, some don't say there aren't, but they're pretty simple, really. But actually doing the things, there's only a limited palette of colors that you have. There's only certain design principles that you can use, for instance. But it's a lifetime of learning, a lifetime pursuit to become a master artist. And then once you've achieved that, you continue to learn as an artist. It's important to just love learning how to be creative and how to be an artist. So if you're ready to take this step, if you're serious about becoming a better artist, about becoming a more creative person, about stopping those mindsets of, can I do this, and are people going to like my stuff? It's time to get serious because I'm going to ask some really serious questions in this course. But I know you can handle it. I know that if you're anything like me, you love the creative journey, and you look forward to becoming a better artist, and that's important. Enjoying the process. We have to take a break from self-improvement and wanting to be better, and we see things that are so cool, and we want to be like that artist or those influences that we see. And sometimes we just have to give ourselves a break. We have to slow down and realize we're having fun with this. With this, being an artist it's supposed to be fun and enjoyable. I don't believe that it has to be a torturous process. I think it can be a fun process, and I think with the proper mindset, it can be fun. So, with that said, let's proceed to the next lesson.